For today, we're going to be laying on our back, feet underneath. We're going to start with some good old hip bridges. We're going to put your hands behind your head, and we're going to press through the heels and lift through the hips. Try to squeeze the glutes on every rep. You should feel this in your hamstring and your glutes. We're going to press through the heels and press, fully extending the hips. Spend little time at the bottom. As soon as your butt touches the floor, we're driving back up. Very good. Press and release. Press and release. Very good. We're going to put one foot out and we're going to work on our hamstring extensions. Just dynamically stretching the hamstrings, kicking your leg up as high as it could go. Very good. We're going to focus on just range of motion on this one. Only swing your leg as far as it could go. Very good. And we're going to switch sides. Dynamic swings of the leg, focusing on getting higher on every rep. Very good. This is dynamically stretching the hamstrings. Works a little bit of the core as a bonus, but mostly we're going for improving range of motion. Very good. Press up and release. Put both legs down. Alright, from this one, we're going to work on hip bridge with a roll. So we're going to press and rotate. Now the goal on this one is to really just roll to your shoulder and reach as far as you can, getting good rotation. Now if this is difficult for you, you could do hip bridge with a very slight rotation. Try to stay within your ability. Very good. We're going to press through the heels and fully turn. And one more time on the other side. Very good. Back to center. We're going to go back into the dynamic kicking. So we're going to swing your leg up and we're going to add a little bit of a hip bridge. Very good. We're going to kick up and press through the opposite heel. Very good. Now you really want to focus on getting good range of motion and squeezing the glutes as you press through the floor. Very good. Now if this is difficult for you, you could just stick with the kicks without the hip bridge. But again, we're going to kick up and press through the floor. Very good. Kick and press. We're working on our single leg hip bridge with a dynamic stretch on the other side. Very good. Again, the modifiers will work on your kicks if you can't do the single leg hip bridges. Very good. Both feet down. We're going to squeeze our knees to the chest. We're going to work that lower back. If you could go in a happy baby by grabbing the inside of your heels, feel free to do so and rock side to side. Now, if you don't have the flexibility to get your feet, simply hug your legs and work on rocking side to side. It's going to help loosen up the lower back. Very good. And we're going to release and drop your heels down. We're going to transition by putting your feet together and we're going to work on some hip openers by opening it up, trying to drive your knees to the ground. Now you want to intentionally try to squeeze your glutes at the bottom, and you could use your hands a little bit to push down. So on every rep, you want to squeeze the glutes, and it's going to help open the knees a bit wider. Very good. We'll work on opening the hips. We're going to hold, and bring it back in slow, and hug the knees one more time. If you have the ability to go in the happy baby, we're going to grab our feet. And again, we're working on softening the lower back, gentle rocks side to side. Very good. We're going to hang out here for a few more seconds. We're going to finish up with the happy baby to wrap up this video in 4, 3, 2, 1, and done.